Hey, this is Alex Kimner with RDK here in Tampa, Florida, and today we're featuring a 2006 Autocar front loader. Now this front loader is a dual drive sit-down type of truck. It's great for commercial or residential with a can. Our driver today has a joystick for a Corrado can, and we have all the options needed to make it work great. Really, all you need to do is bring your own can. Features a 350 horsepower Cummins engine, and as you can see, it's in great condition. This truck was a former city fleet. It has very low miles and very low hours. As you can tell, the body is in excellent condition. Features an Allison automatic transmission. Here we go, we opened up the back for you, give you a look inside. There's the push-out blade. This truck is very clean, pre-emission, with only 108,000 miles and 9,000 hours. It's ready to work. This truck features a 4.89 rear ratio. The body, as you can see here, is a 40-yard. It's an easy pack. Take a look inside on the interior. We pride ourselves in bringing you the greatest quality premium trucks on the market. Call us today for more information at 866-598-2950. Call soon before it's too late.